Sino yung si Director General?
Thank you, Your Honor, for the question. I'm Deputy Director General po of the Philippine Space Agency.
Hindi ikaw yung Director General. Hindi ko kasi makita, maliliit.
Ay, hindi po.
Okay. Despite the very impressive presentation you made this morning, surprisingly, I think the DBM was not impressed with what you have achieved so far because parang na-slash yung inyong budget by more than 44%. Why is that?
Thank you for the question, Your Honor. The Department of Budget and Management is very supportive of our programs. Your Honor,
If it is supportive, why is it is last your budget for 2026 by 44%?